Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the top picks for the best brake pads and rotors tailored specifically for the Silverado 1500. Stay tuned for expert recommendations and improved braking performance. Number 1. Detroit Axle Silverado 1500 truck brake pads are an absolute game changer. Superior stopping power meets unbeatable reliability in this automotive gem. I've never experienced such smooth braking and consistent performance before. Detroit Axle has nailed it with these pads. If you want top-notch braking efficiency for your Silverado 1500, look no further. Upgrade your ride today and feel the difference. Number 2. PowerStop KOE 2069. Unleash the braking beast. Articulated Lorry Fire Silverado 1500 owners, these brake pads are your ultimate upgrade. Feel the difference with unrivaled stopping power and precision engineering. Tame the roads effortlessly with PowerStop's superior performance and durability. From highway cruising to heavy-duty hauling, these pads dominate every terrain. Trust the brand that excels in brake innovation. Revamp your driving experience today and conquer the streets with confidence. PowerStop, your Silverado's true brake companion. Number 3. Weice brake pads, unbeatable stopping power for Silverado 1500. Articulated lorry dashing away. Rev up your confidence with Weice brake pads tailored for the Silverado 1500. From seamless installation to superior performance, these pads elevate safety on the road. Tackle any terrain with ease and experience unrivaled braking precision. Upgrade your truck's stopping game today with Weice. Drive fearlessly, drive securely. Motorway fire. Number 4. Callahan Silverado 1500 truck brake pads are a total game changer. These pads deliver unbeatable stopping power and precision, making every ride a confident journey. From the toughest terrains to smooth highways, Callahan ensures safety without compromise. Installing them was a breeze, and their durability exceeded expectations. Unleash the true potential of your Silverado 1500 with Callahan brake pads. Your search for top-notch brake pads ends here. Buckle up for a smoother, safer ride with Callahan. Delivery truck dashing away. Number 5. Parts has truly revolutionized my Silverado 1500's braking power. These truck brake pads are an absolute game changer. Unmatched performance and exceptional stopping capabilities make every drive a breeze. With parts, safety is never compromised. The confidence they provide on the road is simply unparalleled. Say goodbye to mediocre brake pads and welcome the ultimate upgrade for your Silverado 1500. Don't miss out on this top-tier choice for unbeatable performance. In conclusion, finding the best brake pads and rotors for your Silverado 1500 is crucial for optimal performance and safety. After reviewing various options, it's evident that choosing high-quality, durable components tailored to your driving needs is essential. Remember to prioritize reliability and effectiveness when making your decision. Thanks for watching, and may you enjoy smooth and secure drives ahead.